Fire in your home is a traumatic experience. It is a difficult thing to deal with. Once you've been given the safety clearance by the fire marshal to come in, please make sure that when you go in, you wear appropriate safety masks and gloves, and that you watch for trip hazards. Some of the things that you're going to want to do is clear out all the food in your pantry and your refrigerator, and that you work with a professional to make sure that all the cleaning is done appropriately. There are chemicals that are released during fires that need to be thoroughly cleaned. We work closely with you and your insurance adjuster within your policy limits to make sure that everything is done and your home is safe for you and your family once again.